Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to connect Sony headphones to your phone using an easy method. First, make sure your Sony headphones are charged and powered on. Then, activate the Bluetooth pairing mode on your headphones. This usually involves pressing and holding a specific button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Next, grab your phone and open its settings menu to prepare for the connection. Once in your phone settings, find and tap on the Bluetooth option. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched to the on position. Your phone will then start scanning for any discoverable Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. Look for your Sony headphones model name in the list that appears. For example, it might say WH1000XM5 or WFC500. Tap on your headphones to initiate the pairing. After selecting your headphones, your phone should display a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. You might also hear a voice prompt from your Sony headphones, such as Bluetooth connected, confirming they are paired. If the connection doesn't happen immediately, don't worry. Simply try toggling your phone's Bluetooth off and then back on. Also, ensure your headphones are within a close range, ideally within 10 feet for the best connection. Congratulations! Your Sony headphones are now successfully connected to your phone. You're all set to enjoy high-quality audio, whether it's your favorite music, an engaging podcast, or making crystal-clear phone calls, all completely wirelessly. To ensure a seamless experience, remember to charge your headphones regularly. When you're finished listening, it's a good practice to disconnect them from your phone to help conserve battery life for both devices. Enjoy your sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.